No matter where the post breaks, it could be at the top, middle, or bottom, the entire post will need to be replaced. In this video, I will show you how to do exactly that. For today's video, the materials you will need are an earring with a post, 20 gauge wire that matches your earring, easy solder, saving solution, flux, tweezers, snips, a file, a ball burr, a cup burr, your soldering setup, a third hand, rubber wheels, a polishing wheel, and an ultrasonic. I will snip off the remaining earring post. I will now take a 0.8 millimeter ball burr and burr a divot for the post to rest in. A third hand is a great tool to create a heat sink or a heat barrier. Then I will turn the earring upside down and use the third hand to hold it in place. I will ball up a piece of solder by using a small hot flame with a tight blue cone. I will gently heat the earring and the ear wire at the same time in order to get the solder to reflow. This type of repair is easy to do with the right technique in place.